Division 3. Write down. Mathekaliana, please write with me and provide the answers at the same time. Speed revision. Making ඔයාලට ගොඩක් දේවල් මතක් කරගන්න පුළුවන් හරි. Speed revision 3. Right. First question, Budhi. First question. Simplify. Simplify. Kilograms, grams. 3 kilograms, 250 grams, multiply by 4. Please take the answer. Right? Right? Express 96 as a product of prime factors. Right? Express 96 as a product of prime factors. Right? So this is the second question, part A. Right? Second question, part A. This is this one. Right? Second question, part B. Express it as powers. Right? Express it as powers. That means index form. Index form. Index form. So you have to use the same thing. This is the part A, this is the part B. Same thing. Right? Express it means this one. The answer that you are going to get here. Right? Part B. Second question, third question. Simplify. Five and 3 upon 4 minus 2 and 1 upon 8. Simplify these. Fourth question. Probability of germinating a certain germinating a certain seed is 85%. 85%. Question number A, part A. Express as a fraction. Right? Part B. Express this as a decimal number, right? Part A express as a fraction, part B express this as a decimal number, right? Vegan, do it fast, right? Do it fast. Right? Fifth question. Classify the following triangles following triangles according to the angles. According to the angles. Right. Do this fast. The vegan ලියන්න වේගෙන් කර. According to the angles පුතේ. According to the angles. Right? Not the lengths of the sides, according to the angles. Right? This angle is 20 degrees. This angle is 40 degrees. This is 120. Maybe. Chirat, your final two answers are wrong. No need to send me the answers actually, but if you can, yes, it is good. Right? You have categorized these two triangles according to the lengths. Right? According to the sides here. Right? So, but I am asking according to the angles. What is this? And what is this? Yeah, like that. Right? You need to know the names of angles, Pudaya. These angles, and express as a fraction by looking at this 85%, you can directly tell me the answer. That's gala kiyanna පුළුවන්, right? So me decimal number very easy, but lazy. You need to know how many zeros are there for 100, right? So if you do not know the correct answer, right, for this one, right, don't waste your time on that. Go for the next. Sometimes you might find easy questions than that one, right? Don't waste your time uh, on a question that you do not know. Yes, yes, yes. Right. I will give you another 1 minute. Alright. So most of you guys have done well. You have to write the question and write the answer as well. So that later you can refer it. What පස්සේ වෙලාවක මේක බලද්දි this is how am I going to do this question, right? This is how am I going to do this kind of questions කියලා blah 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 you can refer, right? These things. What refer කරන්න පුළුවන්. Your speed revision book like all in one case. අර ඔක්කොම එක තැන. අර සීතා homes furniture මොනවද කියන්නේ? All in one. එහෙම නැත්නම් අර කාගේල්ස් ෆුඩ් සිටි ගෙදර යන ගම. හරි. ඒ වගේ තමයි ඔයාගේ ස්පීඩ් රිවිෂන් බුක් එක. right? හැම දෙයක්ම ස්පීඩ් රිවිෂන් බුක් එකේ තියෙනවා. හරි. So that you can easily refer fractions, mass, right? So on and so forth. Okay, I hope you guys have done. හරි. බෝඩ් එක බ්ලර් වෙලා වගේ නම් එහෙම කියන්න පුතේ.
Sir, the board is blur.
You know what? Then now is it okay?
Now it's okay.
All right. මට ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් තේරුණා ලාවට ඔය ඒකයි මම කිව්වේ. හරි. මම කිව්වේ හරියට 8:00යි වෙලාව right. මේ වෙලාවට තමයි කට්ටිය ඔක්කොම log වෙන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ අම්මලා තාත්තලා අයියලා අක්කලා වැඩට ගිහින් ඇවිල්ලා කාලා බීලා එයාලා යනවා YouTube. එයාලා යනවා Facebook. හරි දවසේ කතන්දර ටික අහන්න. හරි. Okay පුතේ. So I am going to discuss now. Look at the board. Focus on the board. Eyes on the board. Right? Simplify. Kilogram, gram. Right? So in the kilogram side you have 3 kilograms, gram side you have 250 grams, right? So you have to multiply these 3 kilograms and 250 grams by 4, right? So here you have 250 grams and you are going to multiply it by 4. So if you multiply 250 by 4, you will get 1000 grams. Can you keep 1000 grams under gram sides when you are multiplying? No. Why is that? Right? 1 kilogram, right? 1 kilogram includes 1000 grams. So this is what you need to remember. 1 kilogram includes 1000 grams. So you have to take this extra one to your kilogram side, right? So how we are going to add it? Right? So you have to keep 0, 0, 0 here and you have to take extra 1 to this side. You have to add it to this side. Right? 4 times 3, 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Yes, superb. 13 kilograms and 0 grams. So this should be your answer. Right? Okay. Express 96 as a product of prime factors. So the prime factors, when you are converting a specific number to a prime factor, you need to divide that given number by prime numbers or prime factors. So what are the prime factors? 2, right? 3, 5, 7. Is 9 a prime factor? 9 කියන්නේ prime factor එකක්ද? Is 9 a prime factor? Can anyone tell me? Ajira, මට පොඩ්ඩක් කැටගිරි එනවා. Is 9 a prime factor? Yes or no?
Okay.
No, it's not. Because 9 has right? 9 has more than 3 factors. Neither 9 has more than 3 factors, right? So how we are going to identify prime factors, right? So 2, right? 2 has only 2 factors, right? 2 can be divided by using 2 and only 1, right? 3 can be divided by using itself and by using 1, right? Mean 3 can be divided by using 3, 3 can be divided by using 1. 5, 5 can be divided by itself, which is 5, right? 5 can be divided by using number 1 only. There are only two factors, two factors for prime factors, right? But when it comes to the 9, how many factors are there? How many factors are there? කොච්චරක් තියෙනවද? Right? 9 can be divided by using 9 itself. Sorry? 9 can be yes, 9 can be divided by using 3. 9 can be divided by using 1. How many factors are there for 9? 3 factors.
3 factors.
So because here you do not here you have more than 2 factors, more than 2, so that 9 is not a prime factor. For a prime factor you can only have, right, 2 factors only, right? The number itself and number 1, right? Number itself, right? Number itself and number 1, right? Number itself and number 1, number itself and number 1, right? These are the 2 factors that a prime number can have, right? So prime number can have, right? So this is how you are going to identify a prime factor, right? So now if you want to convert this 96 into prime factors, product of prime factors, first of all you have to divide this 96 by using the smallest prime factor. What is the smallest prime factor? Can anyone tell me? What is the smallest prime factor? 2. Great. Yeah, super. 2 times 48. Right? Again, I can use 2 to divide 48. Right? 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 4, 8. Again, I can use 2 to divide. Yes. 2 times 12. 24. 12 can be divided by using again 2. 2 times 6. Nice. Right? So 6 can be again divided by using 2. 2 times 3. Right? Now, until you get 1, you have to divide. Right? Right. So now, here you have the prime factors. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Right? So you can write 96 by using these prime factors. Right? 96 can be written down as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 times 3. Now you can check whether you can obtain 96 by multiplying these numbers, right? 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32, right? 32 times 3. 32 times 3, 96. So you can obtain that. So this is how we are going to write down, or this is how we are going to express 96 as a product of prime factors. Product means multiply. Product of prime factors. So this is the answer for this one. And now they are asking from us, express it as powers. That means index form, right? Index form. So so you have 96 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and again 3. Right? How we are going to write this 2 as a power? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 as a power. What should be the base? 2 to the power
5
is 2 to the power 5. Right? 2 to the power 5. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 2's are there. So 2 to the power 5 and multiply by 3. Because here you have only 1 3. So this is your, this should be your answer. 2 to the power 5 multiply by 3. Correct? Index form or by using powers. Making power. 5 is the power or the index. Right? Right. Simplify. Now you have here two factors. Two fractions. Right? Or else two mixed numbers. Right? What are the two? What are the two parts in the mixed number? What are the two parts in the mixed number? Two main parts. What are the two main parts? ඉරුෂ මතක නැහැ නම් කියන්න බෑ. ඔයාගෙන් අහලා So if I take this mixed number,
fraction and whole number part.
yeah. Yes. Yes, can you mute? Okay. So this is my mixed number, right? This 5 is called the whole number part, right? This is my whole number part, right? And this 3/4 is called fractional part, right? Fractional part. These question can be there in your Excel, right? Whole number part, right? Whole number part. This is fractional part. Right? If you want, you can write. You can sketch. You can take a sketch, right? No, right? So this is a mixed number, right? And you are going to convert that mixed number into what? Improper fraction, right? In order to simplify that. So here you have the denominator 4. So in the improper fraction denominator is also 4, right? So 4 times 5, 20. 20 plus 3, 23, right? Minus the denominator is 8, right? 8 times 2, 16. 16 plus 1, 17, right? 17 upon 8. Now, what you have to do? You have two different denominators. You need to make sure that you have equal denominators, right? So here you have 4, here you have 8. So you need to find LCM originally, right? LCM originally, you have to find it, right? If you find the LCM of 4 and 8, it would be 8, right? So LCM is your common denominator. So you know how to convert this 4 into 8. How we are going to convert this 4 into 8? You have to multiply both numerator and denominator. Which number? By which number? Tell me. Done that? Huh? Yes, you are going to multiply both numerator and the denominator by 2. So that you can convert this 4 into 8. So that you can have equal two denominators. 23 times 2, which will give you 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2, 4. 46 divided by 8, right? 17 divided by 8, correct? So now you have equal two denominators, and you are going to get the subtraction, right? If you have equal two denominators, you can forget it, and you can subtract the numerator values, right? 46 minus 17. So here 46 minus 17 means 3, 9. 3 minus 1, 2. 29. Right? 29 divided by 8. 29 divided by 8. This is an improper fraction. You can keep this as a mixed number. So how you are going to keep this as a mixed number? 29 divided by 8, right? 29 divided by 8. So how many 8s are there for 29? It is 3. 8 times 3, 24, right? Get the subtraction, it is 5, right? So the denominator is already 8. So this one, 8. So how you are going to fill the whole number part, which is your quotient. Quotient is 3, right? And the remainder comes to the numerator, which is 5. 3 and 5 upon 8, right? 3 and 5 upon 8. So this is how we are going to fill, right? Remainder comes to the numerator. Quotient comes to the whole number part, right? This is how we are going to convert, right? Okay. Probability of germinating a certain seed is 85%. 85%. What is the meaning of percentage, mark? Huh? What is the meaning of percentage, mark? It should, yes, it should be 100. Ne? This is 100. Once you see this percentage mark, right, you need to remember this is 100. Right? How we are going to make it as 100? Very easy. This is 1. Very 1. Now you have 2 zeros for 100. 1 0 2 0. 100. Right? 1 2 0 2 0. Right? 1 0 2 0. 100. So this meaning of this is 100. Right? That is how we are going to remember that. Now express as a fraction. How you are going to express 85% as a fraction? 85%. Yes, can be written down as 85 divided by percentage mark. Percentage means 100. 85 divided by 100. Alright. So this is your fraction. This is your fraction. Alright. If you want, you can simplify it furthermore, because 85 and 100 can be divided by using which number? Right? How you are going to keep this as the simplest form? Common simplest form again there. What is the common number that you can use to divide 85 and 100? What is the common number? What is the common number for 85 and 100? What chapter is that?
5.
5, yes, super. Right? So, Buddha, this answer is also correct. Right? If you want, you can simplify this furthermore. Right? You can simplify this furthermore. 85, right? Divide by 5. So, it will give you. So, 85 divided by 100. Right? You can simplify this one furthermore. Right? Divide by 5. Divide by 5. Equivalent fractions. 85 divided by 5. 1, 3, 7, 17 upon 20. 17 upon 20 is the simplest version of this 85 divided by 100. If you want, you can write this as well. Both are correct, doesn't matter. Express this as a decimal number, right? How we are going to express this as a decimal number? 85 divided by 100. How many zeros are there for 100? 2 zeros, right? So you are going to divide, right? You are going to divide 85. You are going to divide 85, right? 85 divided by 100. So here you have 85. And you are going to divide that number by 100. Now how many times you are going to jump to which side? Because you are dividing. How many times you are going to jump to which side? Right? How many zeros are there for 100? 2 zeros. So that you are going to jump 2 times to your which side? Left hand side. Left hand side, because you are dividing by 100. So right? So 85 is here, right? So 85 can be written down like this. Your decimal point is at the end. Right? So jump your decimal point 2 times to left. 1, 2. So this decimal point comes to this place. In front of the decimal place, put 0. Right? Put 0. So your answer will be 0.85. Right? So you can write 0.85. This is the decimal number. This is the decimal number. Correct? So Buddha we have grade 7 now. Grade 7. Right? So fifth question. Classify the following triangles according to the angles. Right? According to the angles, not the sides. Right. So Buddha, by looking at this triangle, what is this special angle is called? What is this special
Right
angle?
angle.
Right angle. Super. Right? Right angle. So we can tell this triangle is right angle triangle. So you can write this triangle is right angled triangle according to the angles. Right angle triangle. Right? This is a right angle triangle because of this. Because this is the right angle. Correct? Right. Now this one.
Obtuse angle.
Yes, super. So Buddha, this one is an acute angle, and also this 40 is also acute angle. But one angle is whatever 120, more than 90 degrees. More than 90 degrees means what is the meaning of that angle? What is that angle?
Obtuse.
Super. Obtuse. So we can say this is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Right? Okay with you. Right now it's 8:47. Right. Hope you can understand this. Then I'll make it there in the middle. හරි මේක පුතේ මේ මුලදී බැලුනට අවුලක් නැහැ හොඳේ. ඔයාලා තව 2 months විතර යනකොට you will get this because we are doing more questions නේ. අපි මේ ගොඩ ප්‍රශ්න කරනවානේ. හරි පුතේ. Okay, for today I am going to wind up the session from here, right? So please go through what I have taught you. මේවා ආයෙ කරන්න, right? Do this again and again so that mathematics will be nothing for you. හරිද? Okay පුතේ. So good night all and stay safe. Let's meet in next week. So goodbye. හොඳට කන්න.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.